Hi friends, this is Gani. In this video I am going to explain you how to design this type of structure in Tekla Structural Designer with portal frame, just like this. Before going to explain you how to design this type of structure in Tekla Structural Designer, for more steel structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos you can find out so many steel structure related videos, design and modeling and detailing. I hope these videos might be helpful to you, and at the top right corner please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video, so please click on subscribe. Okay, let's start. Before going to explain you how to design this type of structure, I'm going to take a new file. So go to file, click on new. Yes, okay. In home tab, click on the settings, click on settings option. Currently I'm using UK standard design code. As per your code you can select from here list. If you are not getting this list, you can click on here import and click on your required design code and then click on OK. Okay, currently I'm using UK settings here, then click on OK. Now we're going to create the grids here, so click on this model, click on here grids, select this rectangle wizard, click on next, next, next. In the X direction we're going to take 3 base, and the spacing we're going to take 5 meters, 5 meters. Then click on next. In the Y direction we're going to take 2 base with 4 meters, then click on next, next, click on finish. Okay, now we're going to create the construction levels. So select this construction level option, and first is the base level at 0, insert above. Next we're going to take eve level, so type here eve, and it should be top of steel. And the spacing we're going to take eve height 4 meters, it's not a floor, then insert above. Let's take apex level, we're going to take 0.4 meters from the eve level, it's not a floor, so click on OK. Go to the 3D view. Now we're going to create the portal frame at along grid A. So select here portal frame, pick the first point at here and pick the second point at intersection. Okay, now we're going to edit this option, so click on this option edit. Length should be 8 meters, and we're going to take rise here. Let's take 0.4 meters from the eve level, and eve height we're going to take here the 4 meters, then click on OK. Now select this base. In the base our base type is the pinned, and it should be 0 level, so enter here 0. Select this haunch. We're going to take the haunch length here 1 meter, here also 1, and in between at apex level we're going to take 0.5 meter, here also 0.5 meter. And now we're going to take the depth here 0.2 meter, and here also 0.2 and 0.2 meter depth at eve and apex level. So click on this rafter. We're going to change the rafter size here, so click on here, and we're going to take the rafter size 203 by 133 by 50. Let's take 30. Click on select, and here also we need to take, scroll it up, and let's take 203 by 133 30. Click on select. Now we're going to take the column size also here. Click on here. Let's take 203 by 52. Select. and do the same procedure at the right column also. Select. Yeah, that's it. Now click on OK. Now we have the portal frame at this location. Then click on escape to exit the command and select this portal frame. Then right click on mouse, copy, pick the reference node at this location and pick the new position at here to place the new portal frame like this. Then click on escape to exit the command. Click on space, click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to place the tie beam set here. So select this beam. Now scroll it down. Now we're going to take the design section here. Instead of UV, we're going to take rectangular halo section. So select here rectangular halo section, click on select, and size we're going to take here from rectangular halo section. Let's take 60 by 40 by 2.5. Then click on select. Okay, now we're going to place this tie beam at here. Pick the first position at here, the second node at here. Do the same procedure at this location also, and here also. Click on escape to exit the command. Now hold the control button and select these two tie beams. Then right click on mouse, copy, pick the first position at here as a reference node and pick the second position to place the copy of these tie beams in the remaining base. Then click on escape to exit the command. Okay, now we're going to place the bracings at this location. So click on here under the bracing, select this X bracing, pick the first position and second position, third and fourth position to place the bracing like this. Okay, do the same procedure. Pick first and second and third and fourth position to place the roof bracing. Do the same procedure right here also. Okay, use the left right mouse button to rotate this model and place the bracing set here. Then click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to copy this bracing in this bay also. So hold the control button and select this bracings. Zoom it and select this bracing and then right click on mouse, copy, and pick the reference node at here and pick the new position at this location to place the bracings in this bay. Click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to place the panels, roof panel and side panels to apply the loads and on the structure. So select this option, wall panel, and pick the first node and pick the second point, third, and pick the fourth point and fifth point to place the wall panel like this. Okay, do the same procedure in the remaining wall panels like this. Okay, use the right mouse button to rotate this model and pick the first point, second and third and fourth, and pick the first point to place the panel. First, second, third and fourth and fifth and sixth to place the panel. Click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to place the roof panel. So select this option, roof panel, and pick the first point at here and pick the second point, third point and fourth and fifth point to place the panel, and rotate it and pick the first point, second point, third and fourth and fifth point to place the panel like this. Okay, click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to quickly save this model. So click on this file and click on save as. Okay, now give the model name here. Let's take TSD11 hyphen modeling, then click on save it. Okay, now we're going to apply the loads on this structure. So before that, we need to create the load list. So click on this load option and set this load case, and we have the load here. You can see self weight and slab self weight, dead load and surface load and imposed load. Now we don't have any service load, so we're going to delete this service load, just where I have only dead load and imposed load. And we need to create one more load, is the wind load. So add here and rename here as a wind, and the type should be wind load, and then click on OK. Okay, now we're going to apply the load here. So click on in this list and select the dead load, and select here the area load, and now we're going to take here the dead load 0.6 kilonewton per square meter, and apply on this roof. Okay, now we're going to take the imposed load, and it should be 1.1 kilonewton per square meter on roof. Click on escape to exit the command. Now we're going to take the wind load, so select here the wind, and now we're going to use here wind wizard. Click on this wind and select this wind wizard. Okay, now we're going to take here the other worst case and click on next. Then here we're going to take the velocity is 33 meters per second, then click on next, next, and next, and then click on finish. Okay, well, now we need to take the wind load cases here. So click on this wind and select this wind load case. Click on this auto. Okay, now we have here, you can see the direction wind option, then click on OK. Now go to the load cases here. You can see now we have the dead load, imposed load, and wind load cases here. So we need to create the combination. So select here, click on this combination, and then click on generate. Click on next, next, next. Let's take here the wind coefficient option here, then click on next. Take this option, then click on finish. Okay, we have the combinations also, so click on OK. Now our load cases has been completed. So now we're going to save this model. So go to file and click on save as, rename as loading, click on save. Okay, now we're going to do the design. So click on here show process and go to the design and click on this design steel. Okay, our design has been completed now. Okay, let's check the design. Okay, here we have the issue with this member, you can see. So we're going to reduce the size of this rafter, increase the size of the rafter to rectify this problem. So hold the control button and select these portal frames, and here you can check the design, and here also, and let's check this portal bracings also, bracing sizes. So hold the control button and select here like this, and check the design here, right click on mouse and design member, click on static. Okay, we have the problem here. Now we're going to increase the rafter size to rectify this problem. So select this, hold the control button, select this rafters, and let's take here, go to the new, and let's take 254 102 by 22. Click on select. Now we're going to redesign it. So go to design and click on this design steel. Go to review and select this status. Still we have the problem, so we're going to reduce this rafter sizes, and we need to increase the column size. So let's take the previous size for the rafters, select, and now we're going to change the column size here. Let's take 254 by 89, then click on select. Now we're going to redesign it. So go to design and select this design steel. You can see this problem also rectified for the time members. Now we're going to check the ratios here. Just place the cursor on here and use the bottom key like this. Now we can reduce the size of this pipe studs if it is possible. So we're going to do the auto design. So go to review and select this auto design check and select this bracings. And then go to design and select this design steel. Now check this member size. So you can see we have 60.3, or size is reduced. Similar like that, we are going to reduce this time member sizes also. Currently we have 90 by 50 by 3.6. So hold the control button and select these time members. We are going to reduce the time member sizes. Now scroll it down here. Click on here and select RHS 6040 by 2.5, and then we're going to redesign it. So click on this design steel. Okay, only this member is failed, so we need to increase the size of this time member, only this member. So select this member, right click on mouse, click on this design member and click on static to increase the size, and we can auto check here. You can see 90 50 by 3.6 will be satisfied for this time member. So close it. This member size is increased, so you can see 90 50 by 3.6. That's it about this structure. Okay, now we're going to take the reports for this structure. So click on this reports and click on here and select material list and click on this show report. Now we're going to export to the Excel file. So click on here in the Excel option. Yes. You can see this is the information about our structure, the member sizes and weight, total weight of these members and everything. Okay, here you can see our total structure weight is the 4.5 tons here for this structure. Okay, that's it about the structure, how to create the reports. and design about the structure like this. Okay, if you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more steel structure related videos, design and modeling and detailing, go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many steel structure, design and modeling and detailing related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you, and at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when I upload a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.